Hi, I'm Danny, product designer at Barista Co, and today I'm just going to show you how to use your Strong Brew. In your Strong Brew box, you're going to get 100 paper filters, your Strong Brew coffee maker, and your user manual leaflet. So I'm going to take you through how easy it is to make your first Strong Brew coffee. So take your plunger off and take your helix chamber out. You're going to put your paper filter into your handle on top of your cup. But insert your helix chamber back on top of your cup. And then we recommend using about 15 grams of coffee, which is about a heaped tablespoon, maybe a bit more. So just level that out, and then get your boiling water and pour straight into your chamber over the top of your coffee. You'll see that you get like a little drip through, but that's fine. You want to fill it to just about a centimetre below the top of your chamber. When you're ready, give it a quick stir. And then what you want to do is align your plunger on with the white line on the handle. So ease it in. And then until it starts twisting, I give a little pull back, and then what that does is makes a vacuum inside your chamber, so you can leave that now to brew for a couple of minutes. So after 2 minutes, what you're going to do is gently pick up your Strong Brew and literally just twist and plunge. You shouldn't really need to use too much force, you should just do it on its own. That's it. So you've got about 200 ml of really concentrated coffee there. You can always top it up with milk or enjoy it black.